What's up guys, Kyle Bradshaw here, currently at Nelson Rigg, taking a look at the Rigg Gear line of UTV products for 2021. All on their website, so go down, click the link, go take a look at nelsonrigg.com for more information about any of the stuff that you see here on the table. Really quick, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of some of this badass product. Take a look. So these are the door bags for the Can-Am X3 and X3 Max, or Maverick Max. This is the rear door bag. We have two different pockets. Large pockets with dust and water resistant zippers. Super awesome. This thing holds 4 liters of stuff. Now up on the front door, for those of you who don't have a Max, up underneath this front pocket, or inside this front pocket I should say, is a knee pad. So if you're tired of getting your knees busted up on the front of your vehicle, that knee pad is huge. If you don't care about that, you can take that out and have additional storage. This thing as well holds 4 liters of storage. It's huge. Now, talking about huge, this right here is a hydration pack that sits in between either your 2 front seats or your 2 rear seats. And inside this thing is something that's pretty cool. First of all, there are 2 2-liter hydration bladders inside this thing. That allows you and your passenger to have your own separate drink holders. And then on the inside, also a waterproof insulated bag on the inside of there, so you can drop ice and maybe a couple cans or bottles of whatever your preference is. Looking at the bottom of the bag, we have an anti-slip. We have additional storage here at the very front. Lots of room in here. Again, a universal mount, fit between the seats of just about any sport or utility UTV out there. Next up on the hit parade is this huge waterproof. This is a hurricane waterproof cargo bag. Now this is actually meant to sit upright in the bed over your UTV, attaches to the roll bar up here at the top, then has straps here on the side that come down to an attaching point. Now if you have a large flatbed, you can also mount this in the lay down position, but this bag's pretty sweet. 60 liters of storage capacity inside this guy. Open it up, we have 2 arced zippers here. We have 3 more pockets, a large pocket here at the bottom, 2 smaller pockets here at the top. When these are open, you have a 30-liter cavern here and a 30-liter cavern here at the top, with a divider in the center that can be removed for 60 liters of total storage in this bag. Now, if you wanted to mount this thing flat in the bed of your vehicle, that's possible too, via these loops down here at the bottom and the D-rings here at the top. Now, another neat feature about this particular bag is that when you do get to where you're going, you can carry this very conveniently with these 2 handles here on top. It's really convenient to be able to have these handles, to be able to have this bag in, out of your vehicle, whatever you have. Now, this, for any of you out there that are traveling, that are riding, that have mishaps out there on the trail, maybe your belt breaks or you have a flat tire, you need tools, this is amazing. Here's the Trails End tool bag set. Now they call it a set because it's not only the exterior bag here, it also has a full tool roll on the inside. You see MOLLE loops here on the top. You can put spare bottles. You can attach anything you want to the top of this thing. As far as attachment to the vehicle, super universal. At each corner, you have a tension strap holder, so you basically girth hitch to anything and then strap it. It's really, really simple. This thing can be placed on just about any vehicle. Now, opening up the lid here, we have a HighVis Interior, so your tools and things aren't getting lost inside the bag. We've got 2 convenient zippered pockets that are meshed so you can see exactly what you're looking for inside the pockets. You can see here we have a nice large breaker bar here at the top, great for lug nuts on wheels, and that's held up by these rubber straps right here. Super convenient. Now moving down to the inside of the bag, we have these 2 built-in straps. These are actually sewn into the exterior carcass of the bag, and that's going to hold your tool roll in place. Now, of course, the tool roll doesn't come with tools, but it is the perfect platform for carrying everything that you need out there in the field. We have 2 rows of pockets here, all with elastic straps to tie everything in. And then on this side, we have all of your, or anything loose that you don't want bouncing around fits into this nice zipper pocket. And this here is a huge feature that I like. It's basically a work mat. As you're out there working in the sand, the dirt, the mud, wherever you're at, this thing's rolled out, you can put your tools onto this HighVis mat, so you can see where they're at and they stay clean. Anyway, these are just a couple of the neat new products Nelson Rigg has coming out for the UTV market in 2021. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. If you guys have any questions about this stuff, leave a comment down below. If you have any further questions more than that, or if you don't want to leave a comment, click the link down below, nelsonrig.com, to take a look at all of these unique new products. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.